Hi, good morning, BNI. Today I'm going to tell you how easy it is to invite visitors to an online meeting, and I will also demonstrate the best way to do that. Before that, I am Shrikant Biswal from BNI Smart C chapter. Now, BNI has been asking many members about the feedback, how they call visitors, and what is their experience about inviting visitors to the chapter. And many members have shared wonderful ideas, and they say it's more convenient and saves a lot of time. Money wise, if you see, there is no travel cost, there is no meal cost. Some people live in an area which is terribly traffic jams, so it is definitely easier for them. People are not afraid that they are going to get coronavirus, so online meeting is more convenient for them. Your visitor doesn't have to find a childcare to attend an online meeting. And also people who are introvert, it's easier for them to join online meeting. And also you can see it is less of a time commitment. So these are the feedback we are getting from all the BNI members about inviting visitors. So let me show you a demonstration. One of my clients is Mr. Ashish, and he is a florist. How I'm going to talk to him and how I call him for our meeting. So let's start. Hi, Ashish sir. Good morning. How are you? All good with you? Very nice, very nice, very nice. So how is work? Good. How is family? All good, sir? Very nice, very nice. Sir, the reason I called you, would you be able to handle more business? Or are you looking for more customers? Or you want to expand your business? Yes, of course, Shrikant. Ashish sir, I'm actually working with a group of local business professionals who are actively looking for a reliable florist to whom they all can give business to. Would you like to come and meet my colleague? Sure. Why not? Where can I meet them? Sir, actually we meet online. We'll be meeting 7:30 a.m. on this coming Tuesday. But I request you to stay there until 9:30 a.m. for you to interact and to understand the entire process of our meeting. This will also allow me to answer if you have any questions regarding this meeting. You will be away by about 10 o'clock. Yes, 10 o'clock. And then you can continue your day's work. So can I count you in? Yes, no problem. Do I have to pay anything? Ashish sir, actually it is an online meeting, so we are not charging anyone, any visitor. But when we have an offline meeting, earlier also we used to have offline meeting where we also pay and also visitor also pay. But right now it is free of cost. That's great. So sir, can I expect your email address, because I'll send you an email confirmation. You can send it to my phone. Great. But what happens, most of the visitors are not that easy. You will find some difficult answers from them. I will tell you how to handle those difficult answers from your visitors. First, Ashish sir may say, Shrikant, 7:30 a.m.? That is really too early, boss. Okay, sir. Okay, if it is early for you, let me tell you, we all are successful business people. We meet at 7:30 sharp and we all are available in the meeting. And by 10 o'clock, we all get free. And we can go to our work and start doing the day's work, because morning time there is nothing to do. And it will be easier and more convenient for us to do business while everyone is sleeping. So can I count you in? Another situation. Ashish ji may say, coming Tuesday, I think I will not be available, Shrikant. It's okay, sir. I will invite you next time when we have a meeting. But let me tell you, our group is seriously looking for a florist to give business to. And we would expect many other florists will be coming and they'll be invited by my colleagues. So see if you can join on Tuesday. Try for it. All right. Okay. In another scenario, Mr. Ashish would say, Shrikant, 7:30 a.m.? That's too early, boss. I'm not interested here. I would say, It's okay. It's okay, sir. I understand the timing is not right for you now. But let me tell you, our group is seriously looking for a reliable florist, as we have identified that we have plenty of business to refer to the right person. Could you assist us by recommending another florist that you are friendly with, or you know any of your contact? If you can share the number, please, sir. Ashish sir would say, not offend, but let me think about it and I'll tell you. Okay, sir, sure. I will give you a call on Monday and see if you can connect me to a suitable florist. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day, sir. You might be facing some other questions like, Shrikant, can you tell me something more about your meeting? There, what you have to say. You would say, it will be difficult to explain everything over the phone, sir. But I would recommend you to come and visit the meeting to understand the entire process and meet up with all the successful business people. But in short, if you ask, I would say we refer business to each other and we help each other. That's all I can say for now. Okay, sir. Then I'll see you on Tuesday at 7:30 a.m. Thank you. So, members, this is how you need to invite or your known visitor or your vendor or your customer to the meeting. But remember one thing, you are not calling them to make them member. You are calling them because of different reasons. They may come to the chapter meeting and give business to the chapter member. The chapter energy will grow when the visitors are around, but not only for the reason to make them member. And we don't need to plead with our visitors that you come and join the meeting. You are actually doing a favor to them by calling to the chapter meeting, because once they join, they also get benefited like you are getting benefited. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.